Hello everyone, welcome to the May My Monthly Hero release. We're going to start off by taking a look at everything that's included in the May My Monthly Hero kit. Starting off first with this adorable die set. Let me show you it here. This is the Big Present die set, 16 dies. You can see it creates a large die cut present as a focal point for your card. But what's amazing about this set, or what's really awesome I think, is that the lid or the top of the present can come off, so that allows for a lot of fun card designs, potentially putting even a gift card inside, which I actually have a sample for it too, and I just love the little bow as well. Here you can see how this one is really fun and engaging because the present's a little off to the side, but it is also a gift card holder. You can pull out the gift card there like that. So fun and cool. You can also decorate it with stamps or patterned paper. So much fun to be had with that awesome die set. Here's another example of some balloons coming out. I think it's so fun and creative. So again, so many things you can do with this present. Next up, we have a word die set. I can never get enough word dies. This is the Happy Birthday die set. Not only does it come with the happy birthday words, but you also have the shadow layers as well. So that's great for die cutting out of vellum or white cardstock to make it pop a little bit more from your backgrounds. This is a wonderful die set. I can never have enough happy birthday, that's for sure. Here you can see this fun card where it's the focal point. It's nice big size, so you can actually use it as pretty much the focal point of your card as well. A little ombre or colored cardstock, super pretty. And again, you can see that shadow layer with it die cut out of white, so it pops a little bit from that really fun shaker background. And then next up, we have a stamp and cut included in the My Monthly Hero card kit. This is the Birthday Icons Stamp and Cut. As you can see, you have these classic birthday images, balloons, party hats, cake, even gifts and some champagne. And there are some sentiments included in this set as well. And this is a stamp and cut, meaning you have the dies for all of the images as well as the sentiments here in the back. Lots of fun to be had with this. You can see it was decorated, little accents here on this card, but I used it basically for my whole kind of, besides the sentiment, my fun little additional images that I colored around on this shaker card. This is a full shaker card, so it's fun to kind of decorate a little bit with those die cuts. Super fun set. And here you can keep it nice and clean and simple, like this one on Kelly's card where she just focused on those champagne flutes. Love this clean and simple look. And I do want to point out this awesome confetti little circle stamp is in that stamp set as well. You'll see it on this background as well as that first present. So lots of things you can do with just that little circle stamp there. And then next up, we have another die set included in this kit. You have the Tiny Tags die set. You have 3 different tag shapes, and there's even a die for the little string. And then you have some images, some dies for balloons and a cake, as well as even a little candle. So super cute little set, great for decorating that present, which I'm grabbing a card here, you can see, used to add to that big gift die you saw earlier, but you can also use it all on its own. You can see this super cute card created with those tags and the images from the birthday stamp and cut. So fun. I love the way this one turned out. And then I created a background here with those tags. Had a lot of fun with choosing different colored cardstocks and then using the additional dies to add some little details and images on my tags. But of course, last but not least, we have paper included in your kit. You get this postcard with your My Monthly Hero kits that has a wonderful graphic here to help you identify your colored cardstocks included in your kit, and each one of them are labeled so you know exactly what colored cardstock it is. So if you do find one you really like let's say Seaside, which is my favorite, you can always pick up more. And it's always decorated super cute on the front with the general theme of the kit. So let's look at the cardstocks real quick. Here they all are. They are half sheets, so 8.5 by 5.5. And you have, let me fan them all out. 10 10 different sheets of beautiful color cardstocks that I think are perfect for this Yay Day birthday theme. Okay, now let's look at everything that's included in the My Monthly Superhero Kit. Starting off strong with this awesome die set. This is the Big Balloon Shaker die set. It creates a large shaker balloon that you can use for the focal point of your card. There's even these cute little tassels and balloon strings. It's such a cute set, and you even have dies in here to create the actual confetti if you want to have that inside of your shaker balloon. So here you can see a fun card created with that awesome die set. Love those layered tassels. Those are so cute and fun. And of course, that highlight on the balloon I think is just so adorable and so fun. Next up, I wanted to show you guys this awesome stamp set because it works beautifully with the Big Balloon Shaker dies. It is the Make-A-Wish Stampin' Cut. You have these large sentiments that are designed to fit perfectly inside of the frame of that Big Balloon Shaker. So it's so clever to have your sentiment also included. So sometimes it's tricky to figure out where to place it, and I love that this does all that thinking for you. This is a Stampin' Cut, so you do have some dies here in the back. You have dies for the cute little bows as well as some of these stars. So super cute set. And I love, here you go, you can see how it works with that balloon die. So fun, works perfectly behind there. You could even stamp on the acetate too is another option. This is just such a great set, and I love the way the scripty font is done. Actually, it is hand done by one of our designers, which I think is so cool. And now moving on, I wanted to show you guys the alphabet set. There's an actual full alphabet die set included in the May My Monthly Superhero. And this is just some great general large cap letters that you can use with your stamp set. It's great to combine with the tags. Look at how cute this is here. And I love how Kelly doubled it up so you have a little bit that look of dimension with a dark teal and a lighter teal. Great for different kind of card designs. I love this longer rectangle style card with the Celebrate die cut out, and then incorporated some of the stamped images from our Stampin' Cut included in the My Monthly Hero Kit. And then last but not least, we have this card here also showing you how to create your sentiment with the word dies, combine it with a stamp for your sub sentiment, and then also use some of those fun birthday icon stamped images for kind of a really cool letter substitution technique, which I just think is so fun and such a great kind of design to your card. Don't forget, My Monthly Superhero subscribers get a free special Hero Arts gift after 12 consecutive months. Just print out the passport found on the subscription page of our website and simply stick this month's sticker on your printout. And if you're new, no worries, you can start at any time. Show us your progress by tagging us on social media or use the hashtag MyMonthlyHero.